Hey guys, Benjamin here with your weather update on this Tuesday late evening. It's now been 3 days since our last named storm, which is not unusual if it weren't for the impressive September we had, to say the least. Um, 6 hurricanes, and 5 of those became major hurricanes, and 4 of those 5 major hurricanes became Category 4 or 5. Uh, this set September for a record for the most accumulated cyclone energy in any month, and that energy was 175. Each storm, after it's been named, gives off a number per day on its energy, how big it is, how strong it is, its pressure, and that gives off a number. And September had the most set and record. So we were 3 days without a named storm, but this could possibly be changing with this system that possibly could become Nate in the next few days. And the movement of this system is northwest. It has a 40% chance in the next 48 hours to become a tropical cyclone, and then a 60% chance in the next 5 days to become a tropical system. These chances might be increasing, as on this satellite image, I can see it's starting to really get its act together. You can see in the first frame right there, I mean, yeah, the convection is nice, but then you see the spin on the last frame. See right there? You're starting to see it spin right here. I'm guessing this is where the center is, somewhere right underneath all this. And that's going to be moving northwest, and it's all the models. Where is it? And all the models have it. At this point, you can't really go with models because it's just a disturbance, but from what some of the GFS and models are showing, it going northwest and then into the Gulf of Mexico and then affecting the Gulf coast. Um, it is now in highly favorable conditions. The reds mean highly favorable because the wind shear is low, the heat content of the ocean is nice, and it's perfect. The greens and the yellows are unfavorable, meaning high wind shear. We have a lot of high wind shear right now over the southeast in Florida as well, and that is one of the reasons why the system that is just southeast of Florida is only being given a 10% chance of development because of the high wind shear that's keeping all and knocking down all the heavy thunderstorms, and you can see that in which one was it? You can see that in this picture because you have the system right here and everything's to the east. All this is a cold front that came through. It's now a stationary cold front, um, and it's keeping all the thunderstorms at bay because we have 30 to 50 mile per hour winds, and that will keep any system from developing. But down here, as we see with this picture, highly favorable. So there's a good chance this thing will develop. Here we have it on a radio rainbow infrared. The system is pretty large and got some really nice convection firing, and we'll see how this plays out. And there's the model again, and here's the intensity chart for the system. Every model so far keeps it as a low-end tropical storm, besides 2 of the other ones. One says Category 2, and another one high-end tropical storm. I'm thinking it'll probably end up being a hurricane, but we'll have to see how everything plays out. This is still very early, and the system hasn't even become a tropical depression yet. And if it hasn't been a tropical depression, there's no real way to get data and receive information that our computers can feed off of. Right now, we're just going off of satellite imagery and things like that. And that's all I can say about that. Oh, but no, there's not. The system that's in southeast Florida is going to be bringing some rains our way. It's moving very slowly to the west, so we're going to be expecting gusty winds from tonight and tomorrow, and there is a good chance of rain. And that is it. Have a great day. Bye.